Hi everybody. Is there an easy way to protect your vegetables in super hot weather? Well, there sure is. Stay tuned, I'll explain. At the front of the garden, I pushed in the ground these cheap metal fences, and I just made sure they were pushed in very securely. And at the top, that is behind the garden, I put in these inexpensive hooks, and I put about 5 of those behind the garden. And here I'm putting up the shade cloth. It was not very difficult, except where I live it was pretty windy. That made it a little bit tougher. At the front, the manufacturer supplied these inexpensive little plastic fasteners, but really you could use anything to attach the shade cloth. And here I'm just making sure that they're all fastened very securely. Well, I finished putting up the sunscreen, and now my vegetables are ready for the hot August California sun. In Dublin, California, I'm Basso Contour. Thanks for watching, everybody.